start with minus 6 plus 2 raised to power 2, you get it wrong. You have to apply BODMAS rule, which is what? BODMAS. B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That means we are expected to start with bracket. It has high priority here. Now we start with the bracket. There are two brackets. We start from the inner bracket. This is what? 8 divided by 4. This is equals to 2. And there is a key up there. That means we have 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8. That is what we have from the inner bracket. Then the second bracket, we'll be having 5 minus 8. This is equals to minus 3. The next thing to do, because we are done with the bracket, the next thing to do is to multiply, because there's no division again. The next thing is multiplication. It's multiplication, right? So let me rewrite the equation here. We have minus 6 plus 2 raised to power 2, open bracket, minus 3. Minus 3 is what we got from the bracket, minus 3. So at this point, we're going to multiply first. This is what? Minus 6 plus 4 times minus 3. Right? We now have minus 6 of minus 12. Okay? Because plus 4 times minus 3, we're going to have minus 12. At this point, what we have now is minus 6 minus 12. We're going to do the subtraction last. And so we're going to have minus 18 as the final answer. This will give us equals to minus 18 as the final answer.